Hey everyone! Welcome back to Omni Lab's Science Hub. Today, we're going to explore an awesome topic in chemistry, catalysts. Let's dive in and learn more about how they work. Catalysts are substances in chemical reactions that speeds up the process without being permanently altered in the reaction. They work by lowering the activation energy, also known as minimum energy required for a reaction to occur, allowing it to proceed faster and more efficiently. By reducing the energy barrier, catalysts increase the rate of reaction, making it possible to achieve the desired outcome in a shorter time. How do catalysts work in a chemical reaction? In a chemical reaction, the bonds between atoms get broken, shuffled around and put back together, creating brand new molecules. Catalysts make this process faster by providing an alternative pathway with a lower activation energy that is minimum energy needed for a reaction. Let's look at an example of how a catalyst works. Have you ever seen the elephant toothpaste experiment? The reaction produces a large volume of oxygen gas, creating a foamy eruption that resembles toothpaste being squeezed out of a tube. In the experiment, hydrogen peroxide mixes with a catalyst, such as manganese dioxide or potassium iodide. This interaction rapidly causes hydrogen peroxide to break down into water and oxygen gas. We mentioned that the catalyst for the elephant toothpaste can be solids such as manganese dioxide or liquids such as potassium iodide. Did you know that the states of the substances involved in the reaction also influence the speed at which the reaction occurs? If potassium iodide is used as a catalyst, the reaction will proceed more quickly because it shares the same state as the reactant hydrogen peroxide. These type of catalysts are called homogeneous. However, when you use solid manganese dioxide as a catalyst, the reaction happens slower because the liquid hydrogen peroxide must first diffuse disease surface of the catalyst before a reaction can occur. Since the states of the reactants and catalysts differ, these are called heterogeneous catalysts. How important are catalysts? Catalysts are used in plastic production. They facilitate the polymerization processes, where small molecules called monomers join together to form long chains or polymers, which are the basis of various plastics. One catalyst in plastic production is called Ziegler-Natta. Ziegler-Natta controls how the monomers of plastic stick together. This catalyst helps make plastics with just the right properties like strength or flexibility. Enzymes, which are natural catalysts, help in digestion and other vital processes. Other example is amylase, which acts like a molecular scissor. It cuts the long chains of starch into smaller sugars molecules, a process called hydrolysis. Here is a recap of what we studied. Catalysts make chemical reactions faster without getting used up. They play a significant role in industrial processes such as plastic production and in biological processes such as digestion in the form of enzymes. Think about what might happen in a world without catalysts. How would the absence of catalysts affect everyday life? Answer in the comment box below. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more such scientific videos.